Hello, welcome to Fogwing Learning Center. Today, we will be discussing about the crucial link between manufacturing and maintenance. Let's jump right into it. Manufacturing and maintenance might seem like two separate worlds, but in reality, they're deeply interconnected. In this blog post, we'll explore the important relationship between manufacturing processes and maintenance activities, and why it matters for your business. 1. Smooth operations depend on maintenance. In manufacturing, every machine, tool, and piece of equipment plays a vital role in the production process. But like anything else, these assets need regular care and attention to keep them running smoothly. That's where maintenance comes in. Maintenance encompasses all the activities aimed at preserving and prolonging the lifespan of equipment. This includes routine tasks like inspections, lubrication, cleaning, and repairs. By staying on top of maintenance, you can prevent unexpected breakdowns and ensure that your production line keeps humming along. 2. Downtime equals lost revenue. When a machine breaks down unexpectedly, it can bring your entire production process to a grinding halt. This downtime not only delays orders but also leads to lost revenue and potential penalties for missed deadlines. By implementing a proactive maintenance strategy, you can minimize the risk of unplanned downtime. Regular inspections and preventive maintenance help identify potential issues before they escalate into major problems, keeping your operations running smoothly and your customers happy. 3. Safety first. Safety is paramount in any manufacturing environment. Faulty equipment not only poses a risk to your employees but can also result in costly accidents and liability issues. Proper maintenance plays a crucial role in ensuring workplace safety. By keeping equipment in good working condition, you reduce the likelihood of malfunctions and breakdowns that could lead to injuries or property damage. 4. Maximizing efficiency and performance. Well-maintained equipment operates more efficiently, leading to higher productivity and lower operating costs. Regular maintenance tasks like tuning, calibration, and parts replacement help optimize performance and minimize energy consumption. By investing in maintenance, you're investing in the long-term success of your manufacturing operation. Not only does it keep your equipment running smoothly, but it also extends its lifespan, reducing the need for costly replacements in the future. Conclusion. In the world of manufacturing, maintenance isn't just a necessary evil, it's a critical component of success. By prioritizing maintenance activities and integrating them seamlessly into your production processes, you can minimize downtime, improve safety, and maximize efficiency. Ultimately, investing in maintenance isn't just good for your equipment, it's good for your bottom line. We hope this information has been useful. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more informative content. For more details, visit our website, fogwing.io. We look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care.